My hair is not agreeing with me today. You probably don't know me. Hey, you probably don't know me. My name's Bro, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I post beauty, lifestyle, and digital art like videos, so that's what you're into. Please do not hesitate to like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on to be notified about all new videos. Oh my god, this is the first time I was able to say all that in one go. We're improving. Last night I told you all that I wanted to do a full face of your eyeshadow. A few of you were really into that idea, so I decided to do that today. Yes, I have this headband cat thing going on. Ooh, I missed one hair though right there. Cool. Alright. As always, some of my moisturize. I use Pond's like dry skin moisturizer from the drugstore. Like the one that works for me. And my dry skin. Alright, now that my face is all moisturized and prime, it's time to dip into the eyeshadows and fulfill this canvas. Alright, so for this particular challenge, I'm going to use the Conspiracy palette. My go-to palettes are generally these two, just because they have the Shane Dawson palette has that brown neutral color that I like to use a lot, and some purples. And then the Kylie Cosmetic palette has all these nice pink glitters that I really enjoy. So that's what I usually go to, which is why I haven't used this one. Alright, so for foundation, I usually don't use foundation. My skin tends to be pretty even tone. If at most, I would generally use a BB cream, but even then, I don't really like using anything like that, just because my skin tends to be very sensitive and I start like breaking out or just not, I don't know. It's not really my thing to use foundation or a base really. But for this particular day, I'll do it. Alright, I think I'm gonna go in with Tanacon. I'm gonna use a lot of eyeshadow to fill this face. And let's go pop. Hey, that seems to be working. Tanacon, are you my skin tone? Yo, I think I did it. Yo, I'm actually impressed. I'm impressed. I don't even know why I'm impressed, but I'm impressed. Okay, you know what? But my face does look a little dark right now. But it looks even tone. It doesn't look so like crazy. Look at all that dust I created right there. You see that? Now eyeshadow. Now my eyebrows. Eyebrows are pretty like defined and filled, so I just really need to fill in those gaps. So I think the best shade to do this in would be my right here. So I'm gonna go with my one eyebrow brush that I do own. I'm gonna just I don't wanna like dig into it. Maria, if you don't want this palette after I'm done with it today, that's okay. I understand. So outline here. Ooh, that's dark. Look at that. It's actually filled in pretty nicely. So before, after. Or at least that's what I'm hoping this other one turns out like to be. impressed. I'm impressed by my eyebrow game right now. I've been getting pretty good at them lately. Alright? Like, to compare, this is me not even a year ago. This was me 6 months ago. That's how I looked with my eyebrows before. Alright? Now, look at me now. Abril. Next, I'm gonna go in with concealer, but since this is an eyeshadow, since this is a face full of eyeshadows only, I'm gonna go in with. Okay, I have a shade I can use, but it's not in this palette. It's in the mini conspiracy palette. Would it be cheating if I use another one? I mean, they're sisters, right? Don't hate me. Alright? Alright. If you know what I'm talking about, it's the cry on my couch one. It's this one. Like, don't hate me, okay? I'm sorry. Alright? They're sisters. I said eyeshadow, full face of eyeshadow. I never said of just one palette. Alright, so for this particular challenge, I'm gonna use the conspiracy palette. Alright, so I'm going with this. Concealer was not it. I mean, it's not horrible. You know, that's what I get for cheating and using another palette. So, whatever. Whatever. Eyeshadow time. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is go in with Tancon to whiten up the canvas. I was in Walgreens the other day, and I was noticing the e.l.f. section. I wandered over to the e.l.f. section. Now, e.l.f. been, like, I've noticed that e.l.f. been upping up their game lately. Like, they're turning into the next CoverGirl, I feel. Because, and I say this because a lot of, more and more, especially teens, because you don't really got that much money, but more and more people are going to e.l.f. just because e.l.f. tends to be on the cheaper side. But I've also noticed they up the prices lately. Like, before, I used to find things from e.l.f. Like, before, back in high school, and it wasn't even that long ago. I act like it was long ago. But back in high school, I would go to e.l.f. and buy the eyeliner and eyeliner and the brushes and stuff like that. And they would be like maybe $1 or $2. Like, that's literally how much it would cost. I think, like, something for like the face, like a powder on your face, would cost maybe like $3. Now, like the primer now, I'm looking at the primer. The primer used to cost me maybe like $5 at one point, maybe a little less. Like, it would cost me like maybe $4 at one point, and now it costs like $6. I don't know. I just noticed it's gone up a little in price because there's some things in there that I was looking at, like the foundation. Okay, so now they have foundation. Like, where have I been living under? Like a rock or something? Now I've realized, I've noticed they sell foundation now. Now, in the range isn't like that big, but now they sell foundation. I think that foundation was at $11 or something, which is reasonably. Actually, no, it was at $7. It was at $7. My bad. I think. You know what? Never mind. Forget the whole e.l.f. conversation. But I just noticed they've been upping up their game, which is, good for that. But the prices are going up as well, which just makes high school Abril a little sad. But that was my go-to brand, right? Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going in with the Flaming Hot. That looks like hot Cheetos. Oof, you know what? I could do something with some hot Cheetos right now. I haven't ate hot Cheetos in a while, and I kind of want to have some. Alright, so I'm gonna go with the Flaming Hot Cheetos. And I'm gonna put it here in the corner to try to define my eyes and kind of have them look a little bigger than they actually are, or wider, to make them look a little wider than I don't know. It does something that I like. Okay. sure I blend that right. I'm not like your typical beauty guru, even though, which is weird because I'm branding myself as a beauty channel, but I'm not that type of guru. I just like trying new products and whatnot. So I don't know if this is gonna look out right good, but eyeliner usually fixes my messes. You know, eyeliner usually fixes the problem. So, alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this yellow, bright yellow. Alright, you know, we're doing the full face of eyeshadow, so might as well go a little crazy with the actual eyeshadow part or whatever. I'm going with this yellow. I kind of feel like the superhero with these colors. You know, like, I don't know, not Wonder Woman, but like some sort of like hero. I don't know. I've been watching. Ow, that hurt. I've been watching a lot of Marvel films lately. Been watching like Captain America, the TV show Agent Carter, and like, I don't know. I'm into my women power, female power. Alright, so that's my look. At the moment, it looks like a total mess. Alright, I'm not a pro at crazy eyeshadow. Okay? Don't come at me. I'm not pro like that. But I promise you that my eyeliner will fix this right now. Alright? Promise you that. Just remember, can't use eyeliner because there's an eyeshadow video for everything. I'm upset. I'm upset. I was counting on the eyeliner right now. Damn it. Alright. Let's go for my eyeliner. How could I forget that? Anywho, from eyeliner, I'm going with this black one again. My right here. A lot. Alright, I'm going that here, and then try to do that little eyeshadow move. I don't have tape, so I'm gonna just use a napkin and try to outline it like that. Oh my gosh. One came out great and the other one it's like no. Oh bro, no. I'm actually not upset. I don't know, it kinda looks like a little kid came over and put like a marker on me. You see this? Whatever. It'll be fine. Anywho, alright, now I'm gonna go with blush. Now the cheeks. I think I'm gonna go in with this pink. I like using a lot of like pink for blush. Not as you kind of see it right there. Alright, actually looks pretty good. Kind of happy with that one. Alright, I don't usually do like contour my face or anything like that, just because I don't generally wear foundation. Like I said before, I usually do a BB cream, and even then I don't really use that all the time. I usually just focus on my eyes and my eyebrows. But for the purpose of this video, I will do a contour. Okay, since I used Hanacon to do the base of my face, I'm gonna go in with a root beer to to do the contour. So I think people usually go from here, right? Like something like that, or they do like a 3. So for the, ooh, you can see the line. Oh, girl, I need to fix that. Oh my gosh. Okay, now that's dealt with. Yes, right here. You put it here, right? Something like that. And now the cheekbones. I think they usually, I've seen some videos, alright? I don't live under a rock, but I've seen some videos, and then I'm pretty sure it's going from here to here. So oh my god, I think for the first time ever, how does it be that for the first time ever that I actually like attempt to do a contour and it comes out looking pretty good, like especially up here. I think I did a pretty good job. Proud of myself. I don't even know why I did that. Alright, so now I'm gonna do highlight right here, and right here. So for that, I think I'm gonna use Jeffree. I think I'm gonna use my finger for this. I'm gonna just circle it. Now for the lips. I think for the lips, I'm gonna go with pink. But instead of using the pink that I did for the blush, I'm gonna go in with this one just because it's a little more vibrant, the Trisha one. And I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm gonna use this one, the one I used before. And just smooth it, and I see. Hopefully it sticks. I wonder if it's gonna stay on my lip or not. Oh. It's actually staying on my lip. I didn't think it would stay on my lip. I'm kind of afraid. You might find that weird that I do that, but sometimes like color lipsticks tend to be darker than I want them to be. Like I like the color, but sometimes they're just too bold for me, and I like kind of just having the hint of that tint, which is why I prefer lip gloss, a sheer lip gloss or something like that. All right, and that's the look. Oof, take that off. And this is how the final look came out to be. I'm actually not upset. I'm not upset at this look. All right, will I do this again when I use eyeshadow to do my whole face? In an emergency, yes, I think I would. I would probably do that again. But for an everyday look, I don't know, maybe little things here and there, like my eyebrows. I really like how my eyebrows look with this eyeshadow on. Maybe I need to like start researching on some brow powders. Alright, thank you so much for watching, y'all. If you really, let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. Did I make it work or not? I don't know. Let me know. If you like it, please don't hesitate to hit that big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, then let me know in the comments below what exactly you didn't like. As always, if you aren't already, please consider doing so. Follow me on my social media, especially at Instagram at @AbelChivac. I'm always posting polls and wanting to know all of your thoughts. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!